Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back. I know I've been gone for a month, but I'm back with this beautiful Valentine's Day look. But before we get into the look, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers out there. While I was gone, I saw a lot of you subscribe to my channel, so I would just like to say thank you to you guys, and thank you to all my old subscribers. Because I haven't done my makeup in a month time, the eye look, it was pretty challenging for me, and this eye look is very easy for me, so it was kind of weird. But anyways, I'm back again and I'm back to kill it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my eyeshadow base on. I am using the P.Louise eyeshadow base in 05. I cannot find my other one, so I'm gonna be using this one today. So I'm not gonna talk through this whole part. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my eye, and then I'm gonna put everything in the description bar down for you guys to see everything I use. We are going in the eyeshadow now. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna be doing a cut crease today. So I'm just going in to add a little bit brown to this red, because I just want it to be a little bit darker. You can wear this look, you know, and take nice pictures, because I'm sure most people are not going out right now, so you know, and you could just look cute in your house and just, you know, do something like this. So I'm satisfied how my eye is looking right now, and then I'm just gonna go ahead now and cut my crease. So I'm just gonna take my time. I'm doing it and I'm not doing it right, so I really gotta take my time and do it. This is so weird for me. So let me go ahead and do the other side, and just to see how everything come out, because this is not looking right to me, and we gotta fix this. We got to fix this problem. You see this? It's not right. So I'm just gonna leave this side for now and go ahead and do this other side. Hopefully this side come out right, and then we can fix this side. So I went ahead and I tried my best to fix my cut crease. It's not perfect, but I tried my best, so this is the best I can do right now. So I'm gonna be putting like 3 different eyeshadows on my lid, you know, just so it can look different. So that's how this one is looking right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this other eye off camera, and then I will be right back. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mascara on, and then I'm gonna put my wing line on as well. So I'm just gonna give this time to dry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. Let me fix the mistake that I made here. Let me see. Oh my god. Now I'm just gonna go ahead now and put some glitter on top of the eyeshadow. Since it's a Valentine look, you know, we have to put a little bit of glitter so it can look sexy. So the glitter I'm using today is from Urban Decay. Love this glitter. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit on top of the shadow, and then I'm gonna put my eyelash on after. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Now I finished doing my eyelash. I'm gonna prime my face, and I am going to be using the Milk Primer. I'm just gonna dab that on the brush and just dab it on my face. My face has been breaking out a lot, but I'm taking care of that. I'm gonna go in with my concealer and just put it all over my dark spots so it can help my makeup look flawless. I finished putting all my concealer on my face. I am going to go in with my Maybelline foundation. I really like this foundation. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline foundation 340. See, it's a little orange. Oh my god, I look so orange. And I like putting foundation like this on my face because I like my concealer to be a little light. So with this, I'm kind of safe. And then I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender now and just blend everything. This, I don't know why I did this. I don't know why. Now I'm just gonna take my MAC pressed powder and I'm just gonna use that to set my contour. and just set everything. Ooh, that felt so good. I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing my lip. This is how everything is looking. I'm just gonna go ahead and change my clothes, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So I lost the video of the finished look. I end up taking some pictures. This is how everything looks. I want to thank you guys so much for taking your time to watch my video. I will see you soon.